I can, but I don't want to take any unwanted risk because safety comes first. And as I grow, responsibility also adds up. So I won't do. So it's been a while that I couldn't vlog because I was busy, and on top of that I was injured on my wrist, and then after I was injured on my leg. So what's up guys, kaise ho ellaru epdirkeenga? Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So as usual, it's been a sunny morning and I'm back with the weekend, and I guess this vlog will be uploaded either tomorrow or maybe on Monday, but I'm not sure. So today I'll be going to tune my bike, which needs some tuning because the clutch lever and the brake lever both are but too tight, and due to my accident my my brake lever has been damaged. So I will be replacing that, and then after I am looking forward to go somewhere out. I don't know where I'm going, but I will be going soon. So for that you need to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you're not following on Instagram, please do follow, because on Instagram everything works instantly. So let's go on the bike. So at present I came here to do some settings for my brake levers as well as the clutch lever above in the store, which is just near to the lake, sorry, the river, the Isar river it is known as. So at present I am there itself. This thing should be get sorted soon because I need to go to next ride as well and prepare for the next ride as well. So let's see how much time it takes. So finally job done. Means clutch lever, brake lever and the brake pedal, all three are done, sorted out. Because at present I am getting a pick up and drop from the office itself, and I don't think so it will be continued for a longer duration. So that's why I always want to be ready with the upcoming challenges. That's why I need a required tuning. Actually today I wanted to go to bank for some work, but unfortunately bank is closed. It is a second Saturday, so I'll be going on by Monday. Yes, because the rest of the days of the week I'll be just sleeping, or I'll be on my couch. And by the way, I feel that I have been taking out my bike over the ages, because in past 2 weeks I haven't ridden my bike much apart from the grocery store. So today and I pull no, I can't pull because of the traffic. I can, but I don't want to take any unwanted risk because safety comes first, and as I grow, responsibility also adds up. So I won't do that. We'll keep it straight and simple. So finally back home, heading towards my home. I guess almost reached. So I'll see you guys directly on the rooftop in 3, 2, 1.
2,000 years later.
So finally done with the bike regular checkup, that is the clutch lever and the brake lever and the brake pedal is sorted out. I was about to upload a vlog today, I mean Sunday, but I couldn't because I slept, because before that I had a night shift, so I was feeling very lazy, so I slept. And for me vlogging has been very difficult over the past month because I am very much busy as I'm doing night shift. So entire Saturday goes on sleeping. On Sunday only the church and the remaining activities with the family, so that's the reason I am unable to vlog. I went to Badlapur. I could have vlogged, but I went for some different reason. so that's the reason I was unable to vlog. So that's why I couldn't vlog, and I hope that in future I will be vlogging continuously, regular vlogs like every Monday or every Sunday I will be uploading a vlog. So far so good. So everything has been opened up. It's very good to see that things are coming up, new industries are going up, and then too I'm unfortunate that I cannot travel because of my work, which is a busy schedule where I'm going through because see my work timing is 7:30 to 4:30 in the morning, so I get pick up somewhere around 5:30 and I come back home at 6 o'clock, then go to gym workout. So it becomes very difficult for me especially to go ahead and vlog. That's the reason I'm unable to vlog regularly. However, I will vlog, no doubt about that. Just waiting for the right time. Things are opening up, so hope for the best. To be honest enough, content creating has been a very difficult task for me. That's the reason I'm unable to upload regular video. But in recent times, I got some good gesture, positive gesture from the kids of my apartment, and they were like they were missing my vlogs, and that really motivated me because they are not my subscriber, but they tend to see my video on my YouTube because in my bike it is written Atma Vlog, so they go there and they search on the YouTube, and they get my channel from there, and it's really inspiring and motivating for me. And I hope that you are watching this vlog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as well as the follow me on Instagram, because in Instagram, as always, everything comes instantly. I'll be putting link in the description, and as well as you can see it on the screen. And that's it for today. If you like this vlog for whatsoever reason, don't forget to hit a like. As always, thank you, gracia, mercy, dhanyawad. See you in the next vlog. Tab tak, bye bye, take care, live your life, live your dream. Boom.